Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I just got finished watching Shelly on the Shelly Live on Facebook. And if you're a member, well, you can become a member of the Facebook group by signing up for her e-course, which I have a coupon code for 15% off. It's really worth the money, and it's actually not even that expensive. I think it's like $69 American. So, and it gives you access to all kinds of information and the Facebook group, which I love. So we did a beetle back today. So I'm going to attempt it. I wanted to try a new color I got from Golden. It's called Smalt Hue. And may as well just, spin this. Oops, not centered. There we go. Holy moly. Jeez. All right. I'm gonna put, this is a combination of Amsterdam greenish blue and Golden's teal. That looks really interesting. Then I'm going to put all of these Comet, this Twinkle. This is, I don't know. This is sequins. And then I'm going to put the smalt hue. I don't have a stick for this. And I'm going to swipe this with Prussian blue. Oh. Wow, that's cool. It's not exactly a beetle back, but wow, that's cool. I love that. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. That's my color combination. Holy jeez. Oh yeah. Mama like a lot. Let's make sure we've got enough paint off. See some bubbles. Wow, that's pretty magnificent. Oh my gosh. I need a toothpick. There's something in there. Oh, it was a bubble. I'm thinking. Oh yeah, I like this a lot. I'm gonna do a big one like this. Of course, it will never come out like this, right? Oh guys, yeah, this is pretty special. I did get some measles. That's because I had bubbles in my paint and I torched it. So the bubbles, I might have to do this again tomorrow. They're kind of fresh poured paints, or fresh mixed paints. Very cool. I love that smalt hue. One of my favorites now. All right, I'm gonna take you down. Yeah, this is one of my favorites I've ever done. I am in love. I'm in love. All right, it's official. I'll be back in just a split second. Holy Toledo. Gotta love those TLPs. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I gotta make a big one. Very cool. Love the composition, love the colors, love the shimmer. Love it. Let's see if I can duplicate it big. I'm back. Here's the big boy. So I was really pleased with those colors. So I like doing test tiles. It saves money, saves aggravation, and you can always just scrape them off, start over. All right, there were a lot of bubbles in there, so let's see. That looks pretty smooth. I'm gonna go the same order, same stuff. Here we go. This is the combination of teal and Amsterdam greenish blue. Love that, by the way. And this is Twinkle. This is Twinkle. This is Comet. I just mixed up some Shimmer, which that is a gold, interference gold and green. And did we put, oh dear. This is, I still don't know what that is. I'm gonna look at the packaging. There, now there's a lot of interference on there. And I'm not sure if I think I put, yeah I did, Mermaid down. I mean, maybe I didn't. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to change everything. No, I don't think I did. See, you practice, do a practice thing, and then you forget. And we're going to do the same. This is Prussian blue. I like to put a puddle because I feel like I have more control over it. Now I really like that, even with the, yeah, I do, I love it. Yep, I'm liking this. Oh, oopsie. I don't know why I went across like that. That was stupid. Just felt like it. Look at themselves just puffing up. I love it. Pop, pop, pop. There we go. I have no idea what this composition is. Kind of a mishmash. Oh, but me likey. Even that piece right there. Wow. All I can say is wow. Let me put a little bit. I want to get this part off because it doesn't belong. Got my lonesome little bird out there. My mockingbird. It's my Aunt Betty. I have creatures in nature that I assign to people who have passed on, and that way I can keep them in my lives forever. So that's my Aunt Betty, because she used to do everything all the time. She was such an active lady. She had card clubs and Meals on Wheels and golf and swimming, and you know, she lived to into her 80s, late 80s, 90s maybe. In any case, and now I put too much paint on there, and it's because I was babbling. So yeah, so I figured since a mockingbird has so many different songs, she's a mockingbird. This mockingbird is so diverse. Whoopsie. So my brother is, I don't know if I like those. Maybe I'll just do something with them before I spin. So my brother, God bless his soul, is a yellow butterfly. Which way do I want to spin? I think I want to spin this way. And my Aunt Debbie is a monarch butterfly because she was so regal. Yeah, there's way too much paint on there, which is really sad because I'm going to lose a lot of my composition. Because when if I start tilting it, it's just going to run off. It's not bad though. I really like that smalt hue. Stop. Let's see where we're at. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, doesn't seem like there's too much paint on there. It's not moving a whole heck of a lot. Wow. I want to make sure for sure this one has enough paint off of it, and I don't want to wonk up my cells. Yeah, so my dad is a red robin. My mom is a squirrel. And my cousin Lana, who is my best friend in life, she is a dragonfly. And I have dragonflies all over my house. Real ones and others as well. I love this, guys. Oh, I hope it dries well. Thanks, Shelley. I loved our lesson tonight. I'm going to do another one of these tomorrow when the bubbles have all subsided, because I have a lot of bubbles in this. So it's not going to be perfect, but who is? What do you think, guys? Wow. You know, I really like mixing those two colors, that Amsterdam greenish blue and the golden fluid teal. Made a real pretty color, especially with that smalt blue. This is the smalt blue. It looks almost like a lavender. Very cool. Oh, yes. All right, I'm going to take you down for a close-up of this one. I might tilt it a little bit back this way. Oh, I don't want to mess up myself, so. Or maybe I should spin it. What do you think, guys? Spinning it? Let's spin it. Which way do I want to spin? Yeah, I want to go this way. Doesn't sound like there's a lot of paint coming off of it. So, oh, that is so cool. So if you don't want to wonk up your cells, spinning it's better. I'm loving everything about this. Everything. All right, taking you down, then I'm gonna hop in the shower and get to bed so I can work tomorrow. I'm only going to Cancun. It's like an easy out and back. They call them turns. Don't want to mess with perfection here. Cool. Very cool. I'm happy. All right, let me take you down. All right, guys. So pretty. You can't really see. Yeah, I guess you can. The different colors. Just, oh, are you kidding me? I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up the TLPs. They are wonderful. Look at that right there. That's that Comet. And you can see, I think that's, oh, I'll have to look. It might be velvet, I'm not sure. I'm glad I went with the Prussian blue for the swipe color. So, let me know what you think. I'm pretty happy. Happy camper here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe and create, and ciao for now.